Alright, so it's the weekend, and I'm about to cap open this limited release. This is a bourbon, Kentucky Straight. It's 2023. Maker's Mark. Can you see that? I'll have a little taste. I love these round ice cubes. Check that out, perfectly round. For some reason it just sits in the glass better. If you like your bourbon on the rocks. It's a nice aroma. Boy, that's a big drink. This'll last me all night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. %, 54.8 alcohol. Woo! But it's not a bite to it. It's a smooth. I don't know. I feel like I can. I feel like I can taste. It's got a sweet taste to it. 110 proof. Man, that's smooth. Maker's Mark 2023 Wood Finishing Series. But anyway, let me put this up and start talking to you about what I came on here for. It's the weekend, the holiday weekend. Hey, I'm sitting back here and I'm looking at these stripes and looking at this grass after I cut it. And I guess the question is, why should you even care about deep, dark stripes? You know, and look at that grass. That grass is like pillow top soft. I mean, it is really, really soft. I understand that, you know, some people like the real shortcut and it's nice and clean. But when you look at this grass like this, and you see how, if you get a chance to like feel it or step in it, and it's so soft and you just sink, there's nothing like it. It's nothing like it. Man. Woo. I mean, when the grass is like that soft, it kind of transforms everything. You know, you go in your backyard, front yard, wherever, and you're walking through the grass, no shoes on, or picnic, cookout, whatever. A lot of people can throw down some fertilizer and green it up, but you want to take it that next step and make it like pillow top soft. And super green with stripes. Now, you know, you're sitting back here and like, I don't know, just chilling, man. You know, chilling. I mean, look at that sea of like deep, dark stripes. You know, that contrast. I love it, man. I love it. I sit back here all the time and I, you know, have me a cold one or whatever I'm gonna do, and I just chill. It definitely takes some commitment, you know, but it's not as much commitment as people think. A lot of people think you're out here all day, every day. Maybe early spring. I mean, we had a kind of weird weather pattern this year, but you're really not. I cut probably 3 times every 8 days during the growing season. Try to thicken it up. I'm still trying to fix some edges and stuff, some different things from where I just tore the crap out of the yard putting in that walkway, but no big deal. The walkway is fantastic. I'm telling you. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna keep treating the soil. I might even up it over the summertime with organics, because we generally have a cool evening. So if I drop those organics down about 6-7 o'clock in the evening, let them sit during the coolness of the night, hit it with the irrigation early in the morning, we'll see what happens. But I just wanted to come to you real quick just so you could just see these stripes. All right, this is your boy Lon Jenkins. I'm out.
I think